Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will make unboxing for the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X20 Plus. This will be just unpackaging and showing the stuff inside. Then we will have second video for the startup and some review kind of video. So this is new, let's say mid-tier vacuum from Xiaomi. This has both vacuuming and the mopping functions. So some of the key features is it has automatic mop cleaning and dust damping from the dock. It has 6000 PA suction power. It has both laser scanner on top and also the camera for the obstacle avoidance. It has automatic mop pad drying, but this doesn't have the heating function. This is just drying with the room temperature air. So it is some of the difference between high-end and this one. And we have multiple cleaning modes and also the automatic lifting mop. So we choose this one actually for the main mop function because our house has many surface area that we can make mopping. So let's start for the unboxing. So we have quick start guide. We will take over this one later on. This is I think just cover. Yes, there is nothing inside it. So we have main unit. Main unit comes like this. So it is white color. Again, it has both camera and the LiDAR scanner for obstacle avoidance and other stuff. So these have rotating mops. I will put in a minute. It has brush with both rubber and the wool thingy. So let's continue to unboxing. So this is main dock. So there is this box. Inside there will be brush, cable, 2 mops and some instruction manuals. So we have very big instruction manual, it's very thick. We have the brush and mops, so I will put these ones later on and show the details. So let's take this unit out of box. Okay. So this is main dock station. Let me put what we get from the box side by side. This is main dock. This is unit itself. So inside this small box we have the brush. We have 2 mops. Again, those are rotating ones. They are soft to touch. They has Velcro like this, so you can take out, replace, and do another stuff. And we have plug for the dock. So it comes like this. This is European type plug, and other side is like this. So you can just replace the cable and continue to use the dock itself. On this, I think there is nothing inside this box. So those are mainly the old stuff you will get. So let's put some of the stuff on top. Those are bumper stops. You need to take out these ones from the side so this bumper can work. And on the back side you have this removable tape. You need to take out this one because those are the touch points for the dock, so you can charge the equipment. So for the mop pads, they will be assembled like this. It's just magnetic, you can fit very easily. It's easy to put. And for the brush, you need to put here. It will just click on like this. I will take out this one. So some of the features about this dog, let me show you one by one. So from top you can open it, and inside that one you have fresh water supply and the dirty water tank. So this one you need to fill up to max point. You can fill up to max point with the fresh water, and from that one it will make cleaning by itself, and it will get all the dirty water inside that one, and you can replace it one by one. On the front side you can see there is one point that you can take out. When you take out this one, there is a dust pack inside it. It's already assembled. It has closing function like this. So their point is around, I think, 60 or 75 days. You can use without replacing this one, but of course it is depending on how often you use or how much dirty your house is. So it depends on your usage. And you need to replace this one. Some members can empty it and use it again. It depends on the member. So at the back, at the base, what we have is, you see there's this place. This is for the brushing the mops. So depending on your setup, around maybe each 10 square meters or 20 square meters, robot will return back to base, make this cleaning, clean these mops and go back again. So one of the important points is, for this robot itself, it doesn't have any water tank inside it. So what is making it is just coming to dog, cleaning the pads, going out and using this water and the pads for cleaning. Some high-end stuff, they have their water tanks. They are using this water to make cleaning. But anyways, they need to make cleaning for the mops because they will get dirty. So I think that's all for the main startup. And we will get this one charged up, make initial setup for our house. So after that we will have second video. Thank you for listening.